Hey folks, check out the shed. Some of you would have seen the first start of the 20-year Datsun, which we pulled out of this shed nearly a year ago now. Shed used to be over here. It's a good job. Good job we pulled that ute out, because I've come up to the farm just to check things out. I know some of you are begging me to, hey, when's the next episode on that ute? Well, I'm still waiting for 1,000 likes, folks. But wow, good job I pulled that ute out, because that shed has just completely been picked up by some sort of a storm, flipped upside down, and wow. So anyway, you want to see that ute drive? I'm still looking for 1,000 likes on that video, so jump on and like it. Folks, so just a little bit of a teaser here. Here's where we left that Datsun 1500 utes. Yep, all the tyres are still pumped up. They were pumped up in the beginning of this year, some 9 months ago now. Yep, she's still here, so you know, look, you guys know what to do. Cheers, bye.